Good afternoon, this is Steve over Cambs Cars, and today we're getting loads of videos on today, and today we have something really cheap. I know, it's random, we do like 7, 8, 9, 10 grand cars. Say it, Leon, this is priced to sell. Look at that car. Why is that car so cheap? Why? Because it's taking up space. It's taking up space. So we're just like, you know what? We're going to reduce this. It's reduced. That's it. It is now priced to sell mental cheap. Mental cheap. Got an MOT till, I think it's end of November, something like that. No advisories on it. Yeah. It's got a full service history. This car's 2006, settle in. Why is it still here? So we literally just shaved like 300-400 quid off it. Boom. Just sell it like fast. I was getting loads of like emails and stuff, but I was just like, it's in my way. It's in my way. So there we go. You've now got the rock bottom price. Look at that. I mean, seriously, why is this here? So, oh, it would help if I unlocked it. You know what? I even replaced that the other day because it just wasn't working properly. Works perfectly now. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. Hang on. I'll put that little clip on there. There we go. See, even got a clip. Big boot. Even got the little like triangle thing that no one ever uses. Look at that. Seriously, people, for this money, why is this here? You better be quick now because I've just dropped it. So this is now going to sell crazy fast. Look at that. It's immaculate for this money. It's crazy. We used to sell cars like this all the time, yeah? All the time, but it's hard to find cars like this now. It's just hard to find cars like this in this condition for this money. It's just mental. Right, silky smooth. It needs a bit of fuel. It's a bit low. But at this price, you're having a laugh. 116,653 miles, okay? The car is lovely. That's obviously just your handbrake, yeah? It's perfect. This car will get you to work and back every single day. Every day. It is just awesome. We've got CD, FM, AM radio, yeah? What else have we got down here? We've got, obviously, all your aircon controls there. Climate control as well. Happy days. Turn out.
Little bro got the polka touch where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on up.
Yeah, I'm too old to listen to that, unfortunately. Right, so down here you got decent cup holder, random storage at the bottom, 5-speed manual. There's to even adjust your wing mirrors. 12-volt charger / naughty smokers cupboard. We've got traction control, tyre pressure monitoring system. The most overused unlock lock button in human history. Decent sized cup holders. Is that a cassette? Oh no, CD holders, isn't it? Yeah, CD holders. Isofix in the back. You better be quick, people. I tell you what, I'm just doing this video today. This is just going to go out the door.